Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G100 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, access Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be browser. After that, you need to access device settings. We need to wait for this one to download though. We don't have to open it, just go into settings right away. Now select apps and notifications, tap on advanced and tap on default apps. Then click on, in my case, browser app and pick one of those options. I want to set up Opera, so I have to tap on it and go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!